Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use the DVR on YouTube TV. So the DVR is a digital video recorder, and if you want to use the DVR, what you can do is you can simply add a channel to your library. So for example, this is a channel Sports Center on ESPN News. If I click on it, as you can see, I have added this to my library from this icon right here in the bottom. So when you add a channel to your library, then it starts to record. And now if I go back to my library, now you can see that in my recording section, I can see the channel Sports Center right here. And if I scroll down, it is going to show me all of my DVR recordings, which have been recorded. So this is how you can use your DVR on your YouTube TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.